Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning, and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we are still celebrating FFA week, and this morning we have Colby Dye with us. He's with South Warren FFA's chapter. Good morning, Colby.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing great, and I am excited to share your FFA story with all of our viewers. First, just tell me a little bit about Colby.
So my name is Colby Dye. I'm a senior at South Warren High School this year. I'm the chapter and regional president of FFA, and I'm also involved in some other school clubs that we have at South Warren. But I'm not doing FFA or school. I love to hunt and fish and just spend time with my friends and family.
Colby, you have an interesting story. When I asked you if you were raised on a farm, what was your answer?
I was not raised on a farm. I've lived in a subdivision in the same house all 18 years of my life. Growing up in South Central Kentucky, it's agriculture like all around me, but myself, I'm not involved in it. I joined the FFA my freshman year, and I had no idea what ag was or what ag was about, but I knew that from the first day of school that it was related to all the other subjects that I love. So I had to join FFA just because of the people that were in it, my friends, and just all the opportunities that it gave me.
Here you are 4 years later as not only your chapter president, but as of the Barren River region president. And that's quite of an accomplishment.
It was a huge deal for me. The interview process was different. It was on Zoom, just like we're on it today. But just like seeing all the people that I've grown up with, and then the people that I've made connections with through my journey as FFA, starting as freshman and then now leading our region, it was a huge experience for me and the rest of my officer teammates.
So I want to talk a little bit about your SAE. And for viewers who might not have been involved with FFA, tell them exactly what an SAE is.
So your SAE is your supervised agricultural experience. And, even though it says agriculture in the name, it doesn't have to be anything ag related. Some people, it's just their job where they work. It's a hobby. Some people have like an art business and that's their SAE. So it doesn't have to be related to agriculture, just something you love, something you're passionate about and that you want to share with the other members in FFA. So my SAE is wildlife management. As I said, I love to hunt and fish. And so I love not only doing that like by myself, but I love doing it with other people. And the best thing for me is teaching other people how to do it the right way, because when I grow up, I want the opportunity for my kids and my grandkids to be able to hunt and fish as well. And so it's important that people learn the right way to do these things and protect the environment and the wildlife. And it's just a good way to connect with people and build good relations for the future.
What's the most important thing that you've learned with your SAE?
I would say just relationship skills, being able to teach other people. I love just talking with people, but it's a different thing when you're trying to actually like teach them a skill, but doing it in a way that's not, your typical teaching manner. And so I've never thought of myself as having that skill, but as I look back on my SAE after 4 years, I've really realized that I've built up that skill and being able to connect with people and being able to teach them skills in a way that they can learn it and then teach other people as well.
If you were talking to a freshman, why would you encourage them to join FFA?
FFA is just one big family. Before COVID hit, we were always doing things together, going places, competing, and it's just a good opportunity for anything that you're passionate about. There's a spot in FFA where you can showcase that skill. Like I said earlier, with your SAE and different competitions, there's always a spot for anybody in FFA. I think it's a great opportunity for people to recognize your skills and also just to make bonds that'll last a lifetime.
So Colby, you've had an amazing FFA career. What's next for you?
So I am going to go to college. I have it narrowed down to a few choices, but I will be attending college and I'll hopefully majoring in something agriculture or environmental related, just because, I'm passionate about the future of agriculture. I want to make a difference. And I know that with the things that I've learned in ag classes and in FFA, I know I can make a difference.
All right, Colby, certainly appreciate you visiting with us this morning. I hope you and all the South Warren chapter members have a great FFA week, and we certainly appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, we appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show, and we hope you have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.